Hi, my name is Rajiv. I am TESOL certified English trainer or teacher. English is easy. I have made a website. I have designed a website www.englishiseasy.apg.com. You can visit this website and you can learn. You will find the materials as well based on English only. So today's video is based on vocabulary building. This is part 1. So vocabulary building, whenever you see any English word, you read or you listen any English word, what comes in your mind, you might be thinking what is the meaning of this English word. The first and the foremost thing about this word should be in your mind, or what parts of speech this English word has come from. So building vocabulary is solely based on this fact that every English word at least related to one parts of speech. So vocabulary building is the process of enhancement of vocabulary by various techniques such as root words, means any part of the word is called root word, means if you see any part of the word in the word, then you can easily find the meaning or you can easily guess the meaning of that word seeing that root word. Then prefixes, there are some part of the words which come at the beginning of the word are known as prefixes. So using these prefixes or suffixes or compounding of words, means the words are joined to form a new word. So compounding of words, it is also one of the technique of word formation or building vocabulary. This process of vocabulary building, also known as word formation, the process by which the new words are formed is known as word formation, and it leads to a list of family of words which is called word family. Basically, each English word, as stated earlier in parts of speech, is associated with at least one parts of speech. As I just told you that every English word is associated with at least one parts of speech, certainly. So I will tell you, I will explain this in parts of speech, means starting from the very basics of the English. These parts of speech in English are 9. I will tell you in another video. So a word in one parts of speech can be converted into other parts of speech. So we can convert any word from one part of speech to other parts of speech, but not every English word can be converted into other parts of speech, as I will tell you in the word family. I will show you in the word family this. So this the list of word roots and their meaning and the words based on those root words. So the first word root is N or A, which means that not or without. The first word is abyss, means this word is starting from A, which means that not or without. So something that is without bottom, abyss means without bottom. The next word is achromatic. Now this word starts from A, which means that without, and chromatic means in science, chromatic means color. So achromatic means without color. The next word is anhydrous. So again this N means without or not, and hydrous means in chemistry, hydrous means water. So anhydrous means without water. The next word root is acro. Acro means top or height or tip. or beginning. So the words based on this word root acro is, the first word is acrobat. Acro means height and bat means walker or traveler. So acrobat means a high walker. The next word is acronym. So acro means beginning and nym means letter. So the words which are formed from the first or capital letters are known as acronyms. For example, this I, A, S. This word stands for Indian Administrative Services, IAS. The next word is Acrophabia, as acro means height and phobia means fear. So acrophobia, this word means fear of height. So this is the tendency to be fear from height. So acrophobia, this word is asked in the one word substitution. This is important. The next root word is, or word root is agro or agri, which means that farming or cultivation of the land. This, the word based on agri or agro, the first word comes agriculture. So agri means farming, cultivation as culture contains this cultivation. So agriculture means management or farming of the land. The next word is agri business. So agri means farming and this business is related to the farming. So something that is related to the farming is known as agri business. The next word is agrarian. Agri means farming and rian means management. So something related to the farming or the management of the farming related to the management of the land or farming. The next word is agronomy. Agro means farming and nomy is the application. So application of the farming or the management of the crop production or land management. So agronomy is that field of science or application of soil and plant science. The next word root is algo, which means that pen. So if any word is having this algo or LG, means something that is related to the pen. So neuralgia is the first word, which means that pain caused by a nerve. Pain caused by a nerve. And this neura is related to the nerve in science or in biology. So neuralgia means pain caused by a nerve. The next word is analgesic. So again this algia is related to the pain, and this ana is drug. So a drug that makes someone pain free is analgesic. The next word is nostalgia. Again this word contains this word root algia, which means that aching for the familiar, means the person who is familiar with the kind of pain that he or she is having is not known as nostalgia. The next word root is ambi or amphi. If any word is having in the beginning or in the end or in the middle of that word ambi or amphi, it means that it is related to this meaning, both or on both sides, both or on both sides or around. So the first word based on this word, these word roots ambi or amphi is ambidextrous. So Here ambi means on both sides or both, and dexterous means skilled. So the person who is able to use both hands, his or her equally, is known as ambidextrous. The next word is ambiguous. Here again ambi means on both sides or both, ambiguous meaning. So something that is having more than one meaning is known as ambiguous, which means that unclear. One meaning of ambiguous is unclear, means synonym of ambiguous is unclear. The next word is ambivalence. Here ambi means both sides and valence is means violence or conflict or fight. So ambivalence means something that is opposite or opposite feeling of hostility or conflict. So ambivalence means conflicting or opposite feeling towards any person or thing. Ambivalence means. The next word is ambivert. Now here ambi means two and word means tendency. So someone means any person that is having both an extrovert tendency as well as introvert personality, means the someone who talks with the person frequently as well as less frequently. So extrovert is the person who talks to the person frequently, and introvert is the person who talks to the other person less frequently, is introvert person. So ambivert is the tendency, the person who is having both tendency, extrovert as well as introvert personality traits. So the next word root is ami or amo, which means that love. So the words based on this word root is amiable. This word amiable starts with ami, which means that love, and able means the person who is worthy of ami or love, which means that. So amiable means friendly, pleasant, lovable. The next word is amity. Here ami means love and t means relations. So amity means friendly and peaceful relations with something. This amity word is used with the nations. So the any nation which is having with the which is having relations with other nations, amity means friendly or peaceful relations. Amity. This is again asked in the one word substitutions. The next word is amorous. Now again amo means love and rus means extract. So amorous means showing romantic love, which is very important. It's asked in the one word substitution. The next word root is andro. Andro means man or male, and the first word based on this word root is androgynous. Andro means male and genus means like. So the person who is like both male and female is known as androgynous. The next word is android. Andro means male, oid means like. So male like, android means male like. Currently Android mobile generally persons have. So this android means resembling a human or showing a human being. The next word is misandry. Mis is opposite of something, means antonym. This mis is the prefix which is used to make the antonym of the word. So mis means hated feeling, or andry means male. So it is the hated feeling towards man. So misandry means hated feeling towards man. So the person who hates man is known as misandry. The next word root is anim, which means life or spirit. So any word which is having in the beginning or in the middle or in the at the end of the word anim is related to the meaning of life or spirit. The first word is animal. Anim means life or spirit, and al means organism. So something that is having life is known as animal or a living organism. The first word is animate. So anim means life, to make something alive is the meaning of this word animate. The next word is animus. Anim means life or spirit, as means to make the feeling hostility, ill feeling or hostility towards the life. So animus means hostility or ill feeling or something, motivation to do something. Next word is equanimity. Here equan means equal, it is little something related to the equality, and anonymity means life. So this is the balanced spirit towards the life, equanimity means.